Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and continue my little series of one eyeshadow palette, different colors, doing the same look on each eye. If you want to see what look I come up with today, so then keep on watching. Oh, and by the way, if you're new here, my name is Decima. And today the palette we're gonna use, I use this palette right here by Sugarpill, which is so pretty and so bright. I don't usually use bright colors like that because I'm like, ugh, I get real scared, but you know, we're just gonna go for it. As usual, I always prime my lids first before starting with my shadows. And my go-to primer is this primer right here from Louise, and I'm using shade 3 today. I also use that actually to carve my eyebrows. Since I'm gonna do one eye at a time, let's go ahead and just prime one lid. And you want to just put that on and then just tap it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my M506 from Morphe. I'm gonna use that pretty much for all the shadows except when I'm gonna try to blend it up in my crease. Maybe I have a new M506 that I haven't used before, so the bristles are still kind of tight. Yeah, this will work. So it's the teeny brush. I love it. And on the first eye, I'm actually gonna do these colors. So the green, the blue, and the purple. And on my second lid, I'm gonna go ahead and do the red, the orange, and the yellow. But I'm gonna start with this color right here in my inner corners. If you're trying to recreate this look, I recommend doing your eyeshadow first because these colors are super bright, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have some kind of fallout. I'm not doing too much blending because I definitely want the full pigmentation of these. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and move to the blue, and you're gonna stamp that in the middle. And you want to bring it over to the green a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, so then you just have like a kind of a seamless transition, like a blue-green kind of moment. And we're gonna move ahead to the purple, which is right here. Just gonna tap that in the outer corner, and we want to do the same thing with the blue, kind of just mesh that purple with the blue. Just keep dirtying all these M506 brushes. I definitely know to do some brush washing. And let's use an M441, and just we want to do just really, actually I'm gonna bring this up a little bit more. Might bring just the blue just a little bit higher. I'm gonna go back to that 441. It's an M441 from Morphe. I'm not gonna put any product on there. I'm just gonna use it and just gently do some like circular motions, like right to the top. I'm holding my brush very soft because I feel like if you hold it like really tight, you're kind of moving it like the product a lot. So just go ahead and hold the brush just softly and just do like circular motions like so. I got some blue on there, and I don't want that blue to mix with the purple, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a clean M441 again and just kind of blend this. Purple kind of stopped abruptly. I need to bring this up a little bit higher, and that's where all the blending comes in on the edges, because you want to make sure that the edges are seamless, no harsh edges. And there we go. And now let's move to eye number 2. Let's go ahead and prime that lid. But you guys are gonna be so proud of me. I finally ordered the Supergoop eye cream because I keep using the sample that I got from Sephora, and it's practically done. I also kind of been doing like a pretty intense like face, just, you know, the products that I use in the evenings because my face is not loving me. So I'm doing like a pretty intense night routine. It's a lot. See, I'm breaking out like right here, like so. I'll be. I one right here. This one is almost gone, but pretty much as soon as this one started drying up, then I got that new one. I'm like, seriously. Then we're gonna take a clean M506 from Morphe, and we're gonna start with the yellow, which is this color right here. I feel like yellow is one of the hardest shades to actually show up on me because my undertone is kind of yellow. So there's very few yellow eyeshadow that actually shows up on me, and usually I have to go in there like quite a few times, which I'm having to do with this color. But this is actually not a bad yellow. I feel like it's just my complexion, so I dare have to go in there a few times. Oh, I feel like my ponytail is getting loose. Let's not try to embarrass a girl here.
She just told everyone your deepest, darkest secret.
Great. Now we're gonna move to the orange, and we're gonna just stamp this in the middle and just overlapping it just a little bit to the yellow, because we want to just have that kind of, you know, gradient flow. Do you guys ever do that, you know, when you're recording or when you're thinking about a makeup look? Like you're recording a makeup look and you're already thinking of the next look that you're gonna do. This is a little bit kind of more challenging for me because I'm doing a series and I'm trying to come up with, you know, different looks to kind of show the different colors. After this I have one more video to try to figure out, and that will be it for this series. This is definitely gonna be the most bold look. I think one of my other videos is kind of pretty bold too, but don't be scared to play with colors, you know. If you don't like how it look, you can just redo it. Okay, and now we're gonna move to this color right here, which is the red, and I'm gonna put that in my outer V. I actually use this red all the time for just like one. If I'm going for just a one eyeshadow look, I'll just put this all over my lid, and then in my inner corner just put like the yellow or little gold, and I'm ready to go. Because to be honest with you guys, most of the time when I'm going out, I don't have the time to sit there and do all this. So, you know, I just kind of do something quick and I'm on my way. I usually wake up late anyway, so see how these colors just like work like so fast. I feel like these colors are just easier to work with. Yeah, I can tell like I kind of end this and I go higher up with this, so let's work with this a little bit more. So I'm gonna go back with, let's start with the purple, and I'm still using a Morphe M506. Just tap this right here, and we're gonna go back into the blue. Just want to bring it up just a teeny bit, not too much, because I kind of want it to look the same way that it looks on this side, like so. I'm gonna have to clean this up a little bit, but it's fine. I'm gonna clean that brush again, and I'm gonna go back to the green. I'm only gonna move the green, just this part. This is just to clean, and this one is a M518, and we're just gonna move it around the edges nicely again. We're gonna go ahead and put some eye pencil, and I'm actually gonna use a liquid liner, and this one is from McGrath, and it's just black. This is actually really bad for your eye, but you know, just between me and you and everybody else that's gonna be watching this video, I do it all the time and I know it's bad. I just have to. Going for my trash can. Okay, and now let's move to the face. First, I'm gonna use my little sample Supergoop eye cream. I have to like really just, because I think I only have like a few days left in there. Hopefully my order coming quickly. And I'm gonna use my sample again from Tatcha. And I'm gonna use my sunscreen from Supergoop, and this one is the Screen Matte. You gotta wear SPF all the time. And now I'm gonna move.
Oh, pay no attention to that man.
I'm gonna go ahead and use this primer from YSL. This is their Touche Eclat Blur Primer, sorry. What foundation should I use? Let's go ahead and use my Luminous Silk from NARS, and this is in shade Tahoe. Always check your foundation first, just in case. And for my brush, I'm gonna go ahead and use my 732 from Luxie. And as I said, I'm gonna use, this isn't Biscuit, it's just the Soft Matte Complete Concealer from NARS. I try to use the same foundation that I use, or the same concealer, like the same brand. I don't know. Oh, and to apply this, I'm actually just using the 252S from MAC to apply it, and then I'm gonna go in with an actual concealer brush to blend it out. I'm gonna do the same thing for that second eye. And for my concealer, just to blend that out, I'm gonna use a 733 from Luxie, just a concealer brush. Make sure you look up so that goes with all your fine lines. Well, not all of them, but as much as you can. I'm gonna go back to my foundation brush and just tap the edges. To set my concealer, I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star Cosmetic setting powder in Topaz. And I don't bake, I just set it very lightly under my eye. It's very dry, hence I don't bake. And to set my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora, and I'm using shade 30, which is medium. To apply this, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Luxie powder brush. It's a 734, that's the brush number. And for my mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use just my roller lash from Benefit. Let's not talk about my lashes, maybe that's why they're not growing, because I keep talking about them or being mean to them. And for my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and use Dubai from Makeup Shack. And for my glue, I'm using my Kiss Lash Glue in Clear, and I leave these to dry. And I always forget them, and I have to add more glue. It's a process. And I'm gonna go back to, I'm pretty much gonna just mimic exactly what I did to my upper part, and I'm gonna do it to the below. That's a little bit trickier though, so let's go ahead and start with the green. I tap the excess, and then I put that in my inner corner. And then you tap that out, and I'm gonna go into the blue, tap. Let's clean the brush, and let's go to the purple, tap again. And the purple, I'm bringing it up to like so, to just kind of meet where that the purple on my upper lid meets, like right like so. And let's move to eye number 2, and same thing, we're gonna go in with the yellow, and let's go ahead and go to the orange, and same thing, let's go to the red for the outer part, and make sure the red kind of like meets the red on the top. For this eye, I'm gonna go ahead and use Fine Wine, which is just the red from Marc Jacobs. And I'm thinking, let's do purple on this eye. And this color is called Grapevine, which is this color, so it's a purple. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the purple over here, and I'm gonna put the red over here. Actually, sorry, before we blend that out, let me apply these lashes, because if not, then I'm gonna have to re-glue them. Actually, I need a smaller M506, because I'm just buffing this up a little bit, and I'm gonna do the same thing here. And to bronze my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use this bronzer right here. It is the Girls Night Out from Lip Bar. Actually, these kind of have a lot of fallout too, so I usually put them on before I get dressed, but they're so good. So in. Let's go ahead and use this brush right here. This is just, actually I got this in a lip kit, not a lip, a brush kit from Amazon, but it's just a dual fiber brush. It's nothing special. And I'm gonna use this. It is Summer Fling from Makeup Geek. It's bright, I know, but it's good. You know, we have the orange going, so why not just go for it, right? I'm gonna use this sponge from Real Technique and my powder that I use to set my face. And I'm just gonna put some of it like so. Hold my earring out. Like so. And that I let set for like a little bit. Not too long, but I leave that set. Because I want to have the cheesy look. I'm gonna use a Morphe M213. I'm gonna use a wipe and I'm gonna pass on here to just kind of wet it a little bit, but not too much. I'm actually gonna use this highlighter. It is the So Hollywood Loose Highlighter from ABH. Since I had no glitter or shimmer in that other palette, I'm just gonna use a little bit of this, and I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. And while we're ready here, let's go ahead and apply some highlighter. For that, I'm gonna use my tapered highlighter brush from Luxie. Try not to go too crazy with the lip. You know what? Why not? Let's go for it. It's already bright. Why not just, you know, go crazy with the lip? What could go wrong, right? It's already crazy bright. By the way, this is Rumors from Nabla. Let's go ahead and dust off that powder, and let's go ahead and set that face. I'm gonna use my Skin and Nivea in Brighter. Voila, and here is the final look. Sorry, here is the fourth look using one palette and just using different colors on each eye and creating the same look. If you want to see the final video that I'm gonna create using the, I'm not sure what eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use yet, so if you want to see that, then I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.